The flag of the United States of America, often referred to as the American flag or the U.S. flag, is the national flag of the United States. It consists of 13 equal horizontal stripes of red alternate with rows of 5 stars. The 50 stars on the flag represent the 50 states of the United States of America, and the 13 stripes represent the 13 British colonies that declared independence from the Kingdom of Great Britain, and became the first states in the U.S. Nicknames for the flag include the Stars and Stripes, Old Glory, and the Star-Spangled Banner. The current design of the U.S. flag is its 27th. The design of the flag has been modified officially 26 times since 1777. The 48-star flag was in effect for 47 years until the 49-star version became official on July 4, 1959. The 50-star flag was ordered by then-President Eisenhower on August 21, 1959, and was adopted in July 1960. It is the longest used version of the U.S. flag and has been in use for over 60 years. The Continental Colours flag of the British East India Company, 1707 to 1801 at the time of the Declaration of Independence in July 1776. The Continental Congress would not legally adopt flags with stars, white in a blue field, for another year. The flag, contemporaneously known as the Continental Colours, has historically been referred to as the first national flag. The Continental Navy raised the colors as the ensign of the fledgling nation in the American War for Independence, likely with the expedient of transforming their previous British red ensigns by adding white stripes, and used this flag until 1777, when it formed the basis for the subsequent designs. The name, Grand Union, was first applied to the Continental Colours by George Preble in his 1872 History of the U.S. Flag. The flag closely resembles the British East India Company flag of the era, and Sir Charles Fawcett argued in 1937 that the company flag inspired the design. Both flags could have been easily constructed by adding white stripes to a British red ensign, one of the 3 maritime flags used throughout the British Empire at the time. However, an East India Company flag could have from 9 to 13 stripes and was not allowed to be flown outside the Indian Ocean. Benjamin Franklin once gave a speech endorsing the adoption of the company's flag by the United States as their national flag. He said to George Washington, "While the field of your flag must be new in the details of its design, it need not be entirely new in its elements. There is already in use a flag. I refer to the flag of the East India Company. This was a way of symbolizing American loyalty to the Crown as well as the United States' aspirations to be self-governing, as was the East India Company." Some colonists also felt that the company could be a powerful ally in the American War of Independence, as they shared similar aims and grievances against the British government tax policies. Colonists, therefore, flew the company's flag to endorse the company. However, the theory that the Grand Union flag was a direct descendant of the flag of the East India Company has been criticized as lacking written evidence. On the other hand, the resemblance is obvious, and a number of the founding fathers of the United States were aware of the East India Company's activities and of their free administration of India under company rule. In any case, both the stripes and the stars have precedence in classical heraldry. Mullets were comparatively rare in early modern heraldry, but an example of mullets representing territorial divisions predating the U.S. flag are those in the coat of arms of Wallis of 1618, where 7 mullets stood for 7 districts. Another widely repeated theory is that the design was inspired by the coat of arms of George Washington's family, which includes 3 red stars over 2 horizontal red bars on a white field. Despite the similar visual elements, there is little evidence, or no evidence whatsoever, to support the claimed connection with the flag design. The Digital Encyclopedia of George Washington, published by the Fred W. Smith National Library for the Study of George Washington at Mount Vernon, calls it an enduring myth, backed by no discernible evidence. The story seems to have originated with the 1876 play Washington, a drama in 5 acts. by the English poet Martin Farquhar Tupper, and was further popularized through repetition in the children's magazine St. Nicholas. On June 14, 1777, the Second Continental Congress passed the flag resolution which stated, "Resolved, that the flag of the 13 United States be 13 stripes, alternate red and white, that the Union be 13 stars, white in a blue field, representing a new constellation." Flag Day is now observed on June 14 of each year. While scholars still argue about this, tradition holds that the new flag was first hoisted in June 1777 by the Continental Army at the Middlebrook encampment, the first official USFLA